Namaskar. Greetings from mining mentor H.R. Ghosh. Our today's topic is duties and responsibilities of overman. This is for basic mining group 1. This is session 6. About overman, I have already explained to you the definition of overman, role of overman in a mine, position of overman in a mine administration, and various capacities in which an overman can be deployed in a mine. Now I shall deal with the duties and responsibilities of overman. Duties and responsibilities of overman are specified in Regulation 47 of the Coal Mines Regulation 2017. Now let me explain these to you one by one. First is administration. The overman shall, subject to the orders of superior official, have responsibility, charge and control of such part of the mine as assigned to him by the manager. The overman shall carry out such duties as may be assigned to him by the manager. The overman shall ensure that the subordinate officials and competent persons in his district carry out their respective duties in a proper manner. The overman shall, to the best of his power, enforce in his district the provisions of the Mines Act, of the Coal Mines Regulations, and orders made thereunder. The overman shall, subject to the control of the manager and the assistant manager, give such directions as may be necessary to ensure compliance with these provisions, to secure safety of the district, to secure the safety and proper discipline of the persons employed therein. The overman shall ensure that mining operations in the part of the mine assigned to him are carried out as per the code of practices framed under these regulations. The overman shall in his district make the inspections and reports required by these regulations. Next is hand plan. The overman shall, while on duty, carry a tracing of the workings of such district and shall keep the tracing up to date. Tracing is provided to him by the manager under Regulation 43, Sub-Regulation 7. Next item is supplies of safety materials. The overman shall see that sufficient supplies of timber, support material, gratis, tools and tackles, appliances, and other necessities required for the safe working in his district are kept at convenient places therein. Next is ventilation. The overman shall ensure that the ventilation is effective in his district. When braces or air pipes or ducts are required to be used for ventilation of the working places, he shall see that they are kept sufficiently advanced so that an adequate amount of air reaches every such working place. The overman shall ensure that every stopping, air crossing, door, lattice, and other ventilation devices are maintained in good order. Next is discipline. The overman shall have power to send out of the mine any persons under his charge who infringes or attempts to infringe any provisions of the Act or of the regulations or orders made thereunder, or fails to carry out any direction given with regard to safety. He shall report such matter in writing to the manager. Next is haulage. The overman shall ensure that all tracks and tram lines are properly laid, graded, ballasted, or otherwise packed. The overman shall see that the manholes on the haulage roadways are kept safe, clear of any obstruction, and properly whitewashed. The overman shall ensure that the stop blocks, runaway switches, and other safety devices are fixed and used as required under these regulations. Drag or backstays are provided and regularly used behind tubs ascending inclines, and that a sufficient supply of suitable sprags is provided where tubs are loaded on a gradient or lowered down a gradient by hand. The overman shall stop the use forthwith if he finds any of the ropes, chains, signals, brakes, jig wheels, and post or other apparatus in use in his district to be in an unsafe condition. Travelling roadways. The overman shall ensure that, except for the purpose of inspection, examination, and repair, every person other than an official or a haulage attendant travel by the travelling road. Danger. The overman shall give prompt attention to the removal of any danger observed or reported to him, and shall see that dangerous places are adequately fenced off. Safety lamp. The overman shall see that approved safety lamps are used below ground. Next is open cast workings. In case of open cast workings, the overman shall ensure that sides of benches are kept properly dressed, stability of benches is not endangered, haul roads are kept maintained, stability of overburden dumps is not endangered, there is no overcrowding of men or machinery at the working places, adequate lighting is provided at the area under his control, adequate precautions as laid down in these regulations are taken before blasting operations is conducted, all machinery and plant are operated in safe and secure manner. Next is devotion. The overman shall devote the whole of his time to his duties. He shall visit each working place in his district as often as may be necessary or possible. The overman shall not, except for justifiable cause, leave the district in his charge until he has finished the inspections required under these regulations and any other duties that he is required to perform, or until relieved by a duly appointed substitute. Confer with successor. If the mine is working in a continuous succession of shifts, the overman shall confer with the officials succeeding him and give him such information as may be necessary for the safety of the district and of persons employed therein. Next, daily report. The overman shall, at the end of his shift, record in a bound-paged book kept for the purpose a general report in the specified format on the performance of all his duties during the shift, including anything concerning the proper working of the mine and the safety and discipline of persons employed in his district. Formats for daily report have been specified by DGMS, White, Gazette of India Notification Number GSR 972 capital E, dated 1st October 2018. You can find the links of all the handwritten notes in the description box. Our next topic will be duties and responsibilities of Sardar. Duties and responsibilities of shotfirer. Please give your comments and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.